In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete column in Sejda PDF Editor. While PDFs don't really have editable table structures like spreadsheets do, you can still remove a column from view by covering it cleanly. I'll show you a quick, reliable method using Sejda's whiteout tool so the column looks like it's gone. Start by opening your browser and going to the Sejda website. It's an online toolkit that runs right in your browser, which makes it great for quick edits without installing anything. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free. Click that to launch the editor. Next, click Upload File and select the PDF you want to work on. Give it a moment to load. Larger files may take a bit longer. When the document opens, make sure you're on the page that contains the table with the column you want to remove. It helps to zoom in a little so you can see the table lines and column edges clearly. Now choose the whiteout tool in the toolbar. Whiteout places a solid shape over the area you select, essentially hiding what's underneath. This doesn't change the structure of the table, but it visually removes the content, which is exactly what we need for a column. Click and drag to draw a white rectangle over the entire column you want to remove. Start at the top of the table header and drag all the way down past the last row to make sure nothing peeks through. Align the left and right edges of your rectangle with the column borders so the coverage is neat. If your table has visible vertical lines, include those lines in your whiteout if you want the column to disappear completely. If you prefer to keep the bordering lines, stop your rectangle just inside them so surrounding columns still look intact. Take a moment to zoom in and fine-tune the rectangle so it sits perfectly over the column. If your table spans multiple pages, repeat the same process on any other page where that column appears so the result is consistent throughout the document. This approach is ideal when you need a quick cleanup or want to share a PDF without a specific column of data visible. That's the entire process. You've used Sejda's editor to hide a column by covering it with whiteout. It's a simple, effective workaround whenever you need a column gone from view without converting the file or rebuilding the table elsewhere.